In this video, I'm going to give you brilliant, quick and actionable advice on how you can use AI to make extra income online, especially as a single parent. If you've been searching for powerful, easy to apply tips to boost your earnings and take control of your time, keep watching because you don't want to miss this. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to offer freelance writing services with AI tools. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to draft articles, blogs or website content quickly and very efficiently. This saves you valuable time and lets you focus on refining your style. You can create engaging and professional content by letting AI handle the initial drafts while you personalize them. This makes your writing more unique and highly valuable to your clients. You can offer freelance writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.com and emphasize your AI-assisted efficiency. This helps you to stand out in a competitive market. You can also use AI tools for research, gathering data and finding unique perspectives on various topics. This ensures your content is accurate and very insightful. You can take on more projects and meet tight deadlines by using AI to streamline your workflow. Clients appreciate reliable writers who deliver quality work on time. I would highly recommend that you focus on a niche like parenting, technology or health to build some expertise and attract loyal clients. Specializing can lead to higher paying opportunities. You can offer additional services like editing or SEO optimization to provide even more value to your clients. This increases your earning potential and client satisfaction. You can create a portfolio of AI-enhanced samples that showcase your skills to potential clients. A strong portfolio can open many doors to long-term contracts and high-profile clients. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create and sell digital products with AI tools. You can use AI to generate ideas for ebooks, printables, templates, guides, and online courses that people need and that they want. This allows you to create in-demand products with less effort. You can write ebooks or design digital resources using AI tools to streamline and create processes. These products can provide passive income when sold on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. You can use AI for brainstorming and structuring the content, ensuring your digital products are organized and easy to use. Customers value clarity and usability. You can explore tools like Canva and combine them with AI to create visually appealing designs. High quality visuals can make your products more attractive and boost your sales. You can research trending topics with AI to ensure your products align well with your market demands. Offering highly relevant products helps you stand out and attract more buyers. I would highly recommend that you focus on a niche that you are familiar with to create authentic and highly valuable content. Niche products often perform better in specific markets. You can bundle related products together, such as an ebook and templates, to offer even more value and increase your income. Bundles appeal to customers looking for comprehensive solutions. You can scale your product line by using AI to quickly create new ideas and designs. This allows you to expand your offerings without overwhelming your schedule. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to provide social media management services with AI tools. You can use AI tools to write social media captions, posts, and scripts, helping you create content efficiently. Clients love consistent and high quality output. You can use AI scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate posting across multiple platforms. This allows you to manage multiple clients without missing any deadlines. You can offer analytics-based strategies by using AI tools to track post performance and audience engagement. Data-driven insights help you provide better results for your clients. You can use AI to generate hashtags and keywords that improve visibility and reach for client posts. Targeted strategies help grow their online presence more effectively. I would highly recommend that you offer package deals including strategy, content creation, and performance reporting. Bundling services can increase your income significantly. You can specialize in specific platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn to build expertise and attract niche clients. Focusing on one platform can make you more efficient and in more demand. You can pitch additional services like creating ad campaigns or managing influencer collaborations to provide more value. Diversifying your offerings keeps clients interested. You can save time by using AI-powered design tools like Canva for creating quick and professional visuals. This makes your services more appealing to clients who need complete solutions. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to start an online course using AI to develop content. You can use AI tools to outline and structure your course content, ensuring it's clear, engaging, and well organized. A structured online course is more appealing to potential learners. You can write lesson scripts with AI, allowing you to focus on delivering high-quality education rather than struggling with content creation. This saves time and boosts productivity. You can create downloadable materials using AI for notes, worksheets, or guides to complement your lessons. These resources enhance the learning experience. You can use tools like Canva to design visually engaging slides and presentations for your course. Professional visuals keep learners engaged and highly focused. I would highly recommend that you test your course idea with a small audience first to gather some feedback. This ensures your course meets the needs of your target audience. You can upload your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, which make it easy to reach a global audience. These platforms handle hosting and payment, which simplifying the process for you. You can use AI to analyze student feedback and improve your course content over time. Continuous updates keep your course highly relevant and very valuable. You can offer a free introductory module to attract students and build some trust. AI can help you create compelling previews that encourage enrollments. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to offer AI-powered virtual assistant services. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling, or organizing data efficiently. Clients value assistants who can handle work quickly and reliably. You can advertise your services as an AI-powered virtual assistant on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. Highlighting AI efficiency can attract busy professionals and other entrepreneurs. You can offer specialized assistance like content proofreading or data analysis, using AI to enhance accuracy and save time. Niche expertise often commands higher pay. You can use AI tools to draft polished responses for client communication, ensuring professionalism in every interaction. Professionalism builds trust and encourages repeat business. I would highly recommend that you explore industries like e-commerce or digital marketing, where virtual assistance is always in high demand. Finding high demand niches can increase job opportunities. You can leverage AI calendar tools to manage multiple clients' schedules seamlessly, improving organization and productivity. Being dependable makes you a go-to choice for clients. You can bundle your services such as a social media management and email support to offer comprehensive packages. Clients appreciate solutions that cover multiple needs. You can use feedback from clients to refine your services and leverage AI to make continuous improvements. Better services help you stand out and grow your online reputation. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to create AI-assisted design services. You can use AI design tools like Canva or Adobe Firefly to create logos, social media posts, and marketing materials. These tools speed up design processes and make them accessible. You can offer design services to small businesses, influencers, or entrepreneurs who need professional visuals. AI allows you to create high-quality work even if you're not a trained designer. You can use AI to generate design templates that can be customized for different clients. Reusable templates saves time and helps you scale your services. I would highly recommend that you combine AI with your creativity to produce unique and tailored designs. Clients value personalized work that reflects their brand identity. You can advertise your services on platforms like Etsy for templates or Fiverr.com for custom design projects. Targeting the right audience can lead to consistent orders. You can bundle your designs into packages such as branding kits to increase your income per client. Bundling adds value and simplifies decision making for clients. You can use AI tools to test design variations and optimize them based on client feedback. Quick iterations ensure you meet client expectations and deliver excellent results. You can set competitive pricing by emphasizing fast turnaround times and professional quality designs. Speed and quality can help you win clients in a crowded market. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI to create a blog for passive income. You can use AI tools to help write blog posts, brainstorm ideas, and research trending topics. This allows you to consistently produce high quality content for your target audience. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing to generate a steady income. A niche focus helps you attract a loyal readership. You can let AI assist in optimizing your blog posts for SEO, ensuring your content ranks well on search engines like Google. High-ranking content attracts more traffic and boosts your earnings. You can repurpose your blog posts into social media content or email newsletters using AI. Maximizing the value of each piece of content, repurposing saves time and effort. I would highly recommend that you write about topics that you're passionate about or you have a lot of knowledge in, and topics that have a lot of search demand. Authenticity helps you connect with your readers and builds more trust. You can use AI analytics tools to track your blog's performance and identify any areas for improvement. Data-driven strategies help you grow your audience and your income. You can offer downloadable resources or premium content on your blog for additional income. AI can help you create these extras quickly and easily. You can collaborate with other bloggers or brands in your niche to expand your reach and your audience. Partnerships help you grow faster and provide more opportunities for income. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is to sell AI-assisted copywriting services. You can use AI to craft compelling sales copy, email sequences, and ad scripts that drive conversions. These skills are in high demand among businesses and entrepreneurs. You can offer specialized services such as writing product descriptions or sales pages, using AI for speed and precision. Specialized niches often pay premium rates. You can use AI to generate multiple versions of copy, allowing you to A and B test for better performance. Clients value data-driven strategies that improve results. You can advertise your copywriting services on platforms like LinkedIn, emphasizing your use of AI to produce fast and effective work. Professional branding attracts higher paying clients. I would highly recommend that you refine the AI-generated content with your personal touch to make it more engaging and persuasive. Customization helps you stand out from generic offerings. You can offer consultations to help clients develop their messaging and use AI as a support tool during brainstorming sessions. Advisory services add extra value to your offerings. You can build a portfolio of your copywriting work, showcasing before and after examples of AI-enhanced content. A strong portfolio builds more trust with potential clients. You can increase your earnings by bundling services like writing email campaigns and creating landing pages. Comprehensive packages make your services more attractive. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to create AI-generated voiceovers for videos and podcasts. You can use AI tools like Descript or Mirth AI to create professional voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or commercials. These AI tools save time and deliver high quality audio. You can offer your services to YouTubers, marketers, or educators who need clear and engaging narration for their projects. Voiceovers are always in demand in content creation. You can use AI to experiment with different tones, accents, and styles, giving clients a wide range of options. Customization makes your services more appealing. You can pair AI voiceovers with background music or sound effects for a polished final product. Clients appreciate content that sounds professional and complete. I would highly recommend that you practice editing the AI generated audio to ensure it meets industry standards. This attention to detail sets you apart from competitors. You can advertise your voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or freelance websites, focusing on your ability to deliver quality work highly quickly. Speed is a major selling point here. You can specialize in specific niches like e-learning or advertising to build expertise and attract loyal clients. A focused approach helps you establish credibility. You can offer revisions as part of your package to ensure client satisfaction. Flexible packages help you stand out and attract repeat business. And there you have it, 9 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and free training resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So if you want free training resources to take your business to the next level, make sure you click that link below now. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.